So guys, you want to go to Google and then type in Turbo C++. You want to go to the website by Developer Insider. So click on this right here. And now once we're here, you want to scroll down and then select Download Turbo C++. It's then going to start downloading in a few seconds. Once that's been done, you want to right click on it and then click on Show in Folder. Once we're here, you want to right click on the Turbo folder and then click on Extract All. You can untick this box and then click on Extract. It's going to extract, just wait for this. Now we're going to open the Turbo folder that we just extracted. Open this one up as well. You want to find the setup file, double click on it. It's now going to start preparing to install. Now this will come up, click on Next. Click on I accept. Click on Next. Then you want to install it. And then click on Yes. It's now going to start installing Turbo C++. If you want to launch the program, you can tick the box and then click on Finish. You now have Turbo C++. It's also going to be on your desktop. Leave a like if this helped you.